Okay, she gets wild, right? Now she can go. But if she so desires not to, then it's a different thing. Because she's going to tell me what? Put my hand what? Okay, once you do that, that gives me every opportunity I need. All right? I'm not going to stand here. Don't stand here and do this because you're going to get shot. You want to clear the path. So if I move over here, oh, sorry. You all right? Oh. Because the reality is that once I put my hands up, I'm going to move. Okay, now, see where I'm at? I went on the outside. I'm holding on. Once I come here, I'm bringing it down. Okay? Oh, yes. She's going to let go, or I'm going to help her shoot herself. Boom. Not my fault. Fingerprints on the last finger. It's right there. All right? But I'm going to come. I can go on about my business. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So, again, if you're here, they ask you to put them up. Put them up. One. Come around. Make sure you maintain control of the wrist. You know, you got everything there. Nobody. It's their gun. Let them keep it. If I want, especially, notice one thing. Relax your wrist. What do you notice about her hand? Come on. Besides it being torqued.
Still on the gun.
On the gun, right? Yes, it's on the gun. But look at one thing about it. Where's her finger? No, her finger's actually outside. The reason it's outside for please, when we're practicing, do not put your finger inside of here. Because when we do the other one, it's going to hurt like a mother could rip it off. We keep it on the outside because if her finger's in there and I pull up, she's going to let go. One of two reasons. One, she's going to kill herself. The other, she's just going to be in enough pain where I can take you to move out of the way. Okay? Don't be like this. When you're practicing it, please don't be like this. Because when we come back around, come on this side. Put your finger on the inside. Miss Burr, you familiar with this?
I'm familiar with all this.
Because once I put my hand up, I come here and I come back. Look what's happened to that finger. It's here. Right? Not only, I'm going to bring it down, but then I'm going to rip it off because she don't want to let go. You get what I'm saying? If you're practicing this and you're not paying attention, and it's inside, don't put it on the inside. And you come over, wham, right? Come up to snatch it away, and that finger, bring it down, you're going to hurt your partner. Put it on the outside. You understand? We're going to play like that. All right? Because if I'm here, come here, Jay. And go to the outside. Okay? Give me your money. Put your hands up. Give me your money. Ah, what? Okay. Now, oh yeah, because she knew earlier she didn't make a distance, I punched her. You stay close and I'm going to hit you. Okay? So we're going to go with it. Moving out. Going and moving out. Okay, you want to come in? She's going to come up, put your hands down. When I said pick them up, then go. Put your hands up. All right, now, step. One. Okay. There we go. We create the distance. We good?
Yes, sir.
All right, clear off. We're going to go step. Step on the inside. Step. Go with the one out. There. Step on the inside. Stepping out. Going out. There you go. There. See how you out of the way? There you go. Cool. Control the whole wrist. There you go. Bring them on down there. See, that's it. Because if he's got that finger in it, see? There you go. He's going to let go. Okay, ready? Scared? One. Two. There you go. They'll go back and forth. There you go. He's here. He wasn't here. It's right here. Now, if I want to come over,